Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making some fried Cornish hens. My daughter already seasoned it from yesterday. What, from yesterday?
Yeah.
So I'm trying to deep fry. Last time I was frying, I was doing some frying, and guys, the pepper both and go right in my eye. Me say me have to run go over the sink, go wash out my eye them. Man, I thought I was never gonna see it to cook again.
I'll put
all
the
curry,
subtitles.
all the curry in my eye, guys. But it came out alright. See the chicken? Look on the chicken. This is a Cornish hen, and that's how I'm gonna fry it. Seasoned to the bone. I think I'm gonna eat all this one by myself, guys. I'm gonna eat this one all by myself.
You gonna give me one?
Nope. No, sir.
You said I should do me y'all.
Me and Corey gonna eat a whole one for myself. So guys, if you flash up on me, don't laugh. No laugh if you flash up on me. Yeah. See madam. See madam. And I put this on top, guys, so I don't get burned in my face anymore. I make sure I get one of these to put on. Right, guys, I make sure I got one of these.
Y'all, it was so funny.
I am not going to get burned again. In my eyes, guys. In my eyes. It gonna happen again. You stop it? Hey!
You see, there you go.
See there? See there? Here you have my gem. Make a set up the back. Make a close the back. Or else me not know you're there. Yeah. Ooh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Gonna be scrumptious. Lie down. I run you one my cut patina. You bet. You put him to lie down and you won't lie down. He said, take me out of the pot, take me out. I put that on my face. Listen, I'm not going to do, guys. Put on your foot them in there, I want to run out back. The chicken decides they don't want to finish fry pan back. You want to go back on the belly. Are he or she?
No, I don't know. Let's give it a name. Let's give it a name. What we gonna name it?
My God. Huh?
What we gonna name it?
Chukwameka.
Oh my, you know what, Mark? You watch too many African movies.
Don't call him Chukwameka. Right?
I don't know.
Kim. Call it Kim.
Cam?
You better answer you too. What if the chicken answer you?
Oh my God.
Oh goodness. I think this is ready now. I think this is ready.
I don't know.
It's ready. Come on, Chukwa, make a time you come out.